What's your name, this guy?
Kevin.
Kevin.
Brian, you know him.
Kevin De Bruyne.
Kevin De Bruyne. You know the guy, a soccer player from Man City.
Really?
Yeah. He's from Belgium.
Okay.
From Belgium. He just look like him, but I don't know. It might be.
Never, brother. He might look like me, but he hasn't got a fucking thing like me.
Alright. Yeah, he just look like him. Yeah.
But you never play soccer?
Only balls I played with my balls when I was young. When I was a small
When he
boy.
was young,
Yeah.
that's all days, man.
Terus kau dah lagi. Nah.
Don't speak the language.
No,
I
what I
had
was.
people to do.
Listen to me, no,
Yeah.
guys. Listen to me.
These are our friends.
This is a player, soccer player, football in Somalia. Number 4. He's a number 4
Yeah?
player soccer.
Who play number 4?
You.
Oh no, man, come on, man. I don't play number 4, man. Oh, number
Huh?
5.
Yeah.
I play midfield.
My lucky number is number
Midfield,
five.
Midfield, I play midfield. Yeah.
You are professional. You are professional for this thing.
Professional.
For this thing.
Oh, what do you mean?
I do steps and benches.
Yeah. Ada.
It's like he's a professional over me. He can sell them, but he can't fix them.
Yeah.
Listen. I sell sweets and he sell watch and
Yeah.
he's still fixing, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Oh, good.
Understand me what I mean? Bruh.
What about watch?
He doesn't understand.
What kind of watch this one?
McKee.
Yeah, but this one is perfect.
Guaranteed for 12 months.
You believe only white people. If I'm selling, you don't want to buy for me.
Ah, no.
Maniga,
Yes.
Maniga, what do you think? What are you saying if you say you believe on white people? What do
Okay,
you mean?
yeah.
He's a fucking white man.
What,
also.
brother?
What
I'm
the
more
difference of
black
the white
than you.
man?
Yeah?
What the difference of white
I'm
man?
more
and me?
black
Huh?
than him.
So now you are recording. Now you are taking a
You
video.
always talk
Can I see this shit?
Yeah.
He's a fucking watchman. It's very
this
nice.
one is crazy.
Yeah, it's nice. But it's under 50 packs.
Facts. Who's that? That's just like Brian.
Oh, yeah. This guy. Oh, yeah, this guy. He calls my name. He calls me my name.
What's his name?
Say,
You know,
my
and
name.
you?
you.
Yeah, and you.
Me.
Ah.
Kevin, not white
What
man.
means Kevin?
Means Kevin, it means
The bow man.
That's
You know,
a
the
noob.
bow man, strong man.
has
you
got
know.
a motherfucker dick.
About
It's called a great white.
you
Now, what do you mean?
Fucking man.
not a fucking mad. You are clever. You know how to make business in the street,
Ah, it's not
like
about-
Somalian. Yeah?
You need to sell yourself.
Let me go
Huh?
to work. Can I
You
even
need
that
to sell
thing
yourself
to
before
chow?
you sell your product.
Serious?
Yeah,
Promise
that's
you.
perfect. Yeah, that's perfect. Yeah.
Why
Professionally.
the people
What do you wanna
like you?
ask?
They'll buy fucking anything
Listen,
from you.
listen, say
True,
it.
eh?
What do you want to
Yeah,
ask him?
yeah.
What do you want to ask him?
He
What must I
said
ask him?
you must ask for him.
Shit, yeah.
Ask for him.
That's all my watches.
Oh, okay. Where you?
Yeah, by the market.
Is that what the market is?
Yeah,
Market,
yeah.
What the market
Ladies, gents, but she's like, I'll
Yeah, come on,
sell
see us,
25 watches today. So,
Eh?
yes, yeah, what? You're gonna make a porno now?
No. Listen, that we talking right. No. We talking right now. We're this one is fucked up.